Hello my YouTube family. Beginners will learn how to make it easily, and you can make it with color of your choice. And it can be made even more beautiful with your favorite color. White seed beads, golden beads, black rounded shape beads, blue pearl beads. Thread that you can find. Let's start. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, then please like it. Take a 150 centimeters long thread, take a round black bead, take 3 seed beads, and with the help of a needle take them to the end of the thread. We'll tie the knot, 1 or 2. After that, the needle will be passed through the black bead. Cut the excess thread with the help of scissors. I am very interested to know what country you are watching from. Be sure to mention in the comment box which country you are watching from. And 3 more seed beads will be added. And we'll pass the needle through the black bead. Pass the needle through the next 3 seed beads. And add 1 white seed bead on both sides. This will make its round shape ready. Then we will go to the next step and our unit will be complete. As it is shown, you will add beads to the other side of the string and then string more beads. Now 3 pearls will be taken to the end of the thread with the help of the needle, and the needle will be passed through the pearl from the other side of the pearl. Two more seed beads will be passed through the needle, and 3 pearl beads will be passed through the end of the thread with the help of the needle, and the thread will be passed through the other side of the same pearl with the help of the needle. Pass the needle through 2 more beads and repeat the same process as you see in the video. We have to repeat this process 4 times, then it will be complete. Before completing this, we will pass the thread through the beads again and again with the help of the needle. We will pass the thread through the beads again and again in such a way that it takes a square shape. It's very easy. If you don't understand, then ask by commenting. I will answer your every comment and try to solve your problem. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then subscribe to the channel, and if you have seen the video, then it means you have liked the video, so please hit the like button. Secure your work before cutting the thread, and after knotting, pass the thread through a few beads to secure it. This is our 1 unit complete. I have made 10 of these and they are very easy to make. Now we will learn how to put them together. Thread the needle again 100 centimeters long. Pick up 1 unit and pass the thread through the 4 beads on the side. A golden bead will be inserted into the end of the thread with the help of a needle. Then pick up the second unit and pass the thread through the 4 beads on the side with the help of a needle. Again take the golden bead and pass it to the end of the thread with the help of the needle and pick up the third unit and pass the thread through the 4 beads on the side with the help of the needle. This is the method we will follow to connect the whole 10 units in AFS. From one side it will be connected. Bead 4 seed bead. A lobster will again carry a 4 seed bead, a golden bead, to the end of the thread with the help of a needle. And again pick up this last unit and pass the thread through the 4 beads on the other side with the help of a needle. Add a golden bead and then pick up the other unit and pass the thread through the 4 beads on the other side. In the same way we will attach the other side as well. This way the entire bracelet will be connected. Now we have to add the jump ring chain and loop, etc. A golden bead 4 seeded bead, a jump ring again 4 seed beads, a golden bead. With the help of a needle, the beads will be taken to the end of the thread and the thread will be knotted with the already left thread. Cut off the excess thread and pass the needle thread through different beads before cutting to secure the work. Make a loop with blue beads and head pin. Add a chain and loop to the jumper and connect the other end of the chain to the jumper in the bracelet. Our bracelet is complete. Visit the channel for more similar videos. See you in the next video. Bye till then.